Joint Action Committees, JACs, have decided to claim the bodies of civilians who were killed in JIRIBAM district in separate incidents after they received assurances from government to fulfill the demands of two Joint Action Committees, JACs, formed in response to the recent killings of 9 civilians, including an 8-month-old infant in JIRIBAM by Kuki Zomar militants and by security force during the subsequent protest. The bodies of the deceased persons, including that of Kundrakpa Mathoba, who was killed during the agitation in JIRIBAM, will be cremated at NINGSINGKHUL in JIRIBAM tomorrow.
JAC against brutal killing of Kundrakpa Mathoba Singh amasung serious injury of the SMCH Singh dabi tokibatugi matungina nectar sanjay bamasi athom matamda terminate tawdabani haibasi tawnabidamakta order thokiba leire amasung DIG we anina saba koi inquiry committee amasung semkhibgi matungina koi inquiry chatharni habagi hajabasu thambire asing manungda yamna maru oriba koi ex gracia community mi amada chanaba tunaba jobama ibasi athom matamda tawrne habasi ngarangi koi honorable CM na JUC kutangda hajaba assurance to pibirale thamliba demand sing asi ayabama assurance ama pibirakpadagi hariba dead body asi lawbagi yanabasi pujanapani Nungay kapagi thododa thokiba sokiba pagi kaisam bisan singisu asopada layang bada changadaba expensive punnamak akoi government side tagi biar tawgani habigi thajabasu thambire masi hajaningi